Hello, friends. Today, my topic is step out of the comfort zone. This topic makes me very nostalgic and takes me back to the New Year Eve celebrations while I was on service. Many of my colleagues they make very lofty and wishful New Year resolutions on this eve. And what are those? That is, tomorrow onwards, I shall quit drinking. Very good. I shall quit smoking. Excellent. And I shall start morning run and also to the gym and I shall shed weight. Heartiest congratulations. And their better half, they feel very happy and thrilled because their husbands are going to be very active and good boys soon. And I would also say, very good, heartiest congratulations. But what is the outcome? It's an initiative which gets halted soon on start. Why? Because no one wants to step out of the comfort zone. And what is going to happen? And similar kind of resolutions are made on the next year, New Year Eve. Now, to take a U turn in life, leave one most dangerous place which has handicapped you, which has made your talent get rusted, which has changed your feet, and it is none other than your comfort zone. Now, being in the comfort zone, you cannot do anything. Why? Because the enemy, because good is the enemy of the best. Now, if you are comfortable with Honda City, then why should you think about getting a Mercedes car? What makes one hesitant to move out of comfort zone? It is because while in comfort zone, we know what to do and what to expect. You experience a very low level stress and anxiety, and there is no risk whatsoever. Now, the problem starts when you get too comfortable in the comfort zone. You stop arriving to achieve your goal. You stop challenging yourself and you let opportunities slip by and you become overly complacent. Now, the villain between you and the success is none other than the comfort zone. The only way to grow, to build your capabilities, and refresh your full potential is by stepping out of the comfort zone. Now, someone has rightly said, a life begins outside your comfort zone. Once you are successful, you get trapped in that comfort zone and you stop becoming challenging in life. The aircraft asked the rocket, why are you cruising so fast? And the rocket replies, when your back is on fire, you will also cruise, else you will remain stagnant. Now, if your monthly EMI is 1 lakh, suppose you can't get sleep, keep thinking how to manage the fund. Now, if you have no liabilities, you won't take any challenges in life and you will merely switch on the AC and enjoy a comfortable sleep. Now, we are all experienced before the final exam, during the preparatory leave, how many of us study, we keep procrastinating till the last moment. We do not want to be disturbed in our comfort zone. Now, let me ask you a question. Why does a baby cry on being born? And why not it laugh? Because the fetus is so comfortable inside the mother's womb because through the umbilical cord and the placenta. When it comes outside, it misses all the comfort and face the vagaries of the weather. Now, we are all very familiar with the story of the king and the two magnificent falcon birds. The king was gifted two falcon birds by a neighboring king because he was very fond of birds. So he arranged a bird trainer, asked him to train them well so that they soar very high in the sky. After a month, the trainer comes and tells the king that the one bird doesn't fly like the other. It goes and sits on a tree. The king asked his minister to find a person who can make this bird also fly like the other. After a few days, the trainer gets a local farmer who got the job done. On being asked about the secret, he told, Your Highness, I cut the branch of that tree and the bird couldn't find the branch and started flying high looking for another branch. Thus it soared higher and higher in the sky. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that if you fly, that is, you fly from comfort zone to comfort zone, taking challenges. We all are created to fly, to live by the incredible potential that we all are invested with. But often, what happens, we sit on the branches, clinging to the things that we are familiar to us, remaining stuck in the comfort zone, not willing to venture out, not willing to take risk. Now, the possibilities are endless. But what happens? Most of us, we remain undiscovered. We miss the exciting, thrilling part of life and remain mediocre in life. So, what is the branch that is holding you back from flying high? Unless you cut off the branch you are clinging and free yourself, you can never take off and reach newer heights. So, what are you waiting for? Cut the branch and free yourself. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe and share. Jai Hind.